Alright, you guys, well, today we have the X5 and we're making some changes. What's happening, or what has happened, is I sold the wheels and tires. So these Style 214s and Nittos that you guys have come to know and love are going to a new owner. And yeah, so we're gonna put it back on stock wheels right now. I do have some new tires and wheels on order. Well, I do have some new tires on order. I'm still undecided on what kind of wheel I want, or what. It's very difficult to find a wheel for this that's for the right load capacity and just everything that I need to do. And yeah, so for now we're just putting the stock wheels and tires back on. If we find a wheel in time, we'll have our tires when they come in mounted to the new wheel. If not, we'll have the tires put on the stock wheels for now. And yeah, I think it's still gonna be sweet either way. But I don't not like the setup. I absolutely love the setup. It's been perfect and I've had no problems with it at all. Like, through all the off-roading, everyone's like, you can't off-road with those 20s and those small sidewalls. I've been all over the country and have had no issues. Like, these are 100% capable to do whatever you need to do. But I want to change up the style. I take pictures constantly for Instagram. I'm constantly filming this truck and looking at it. I just want to change it up a little bit. So we're gonna, yeah, just go for a new style. Well, you guys, we got our new tires. And the old guys. So they're the same size, the same width, just different sidewalls. The 18 and the 20, both 30.5 by 10.5 overall. I think it looks a lot beefier. And I kind of like these wheels too. Like, I love these 214s. Definitely the color though. These used to be that silver and I had them painted and refinished in this gray. I think it depends on how long it takes me to find another set of wheels or what, but I think I may just plasti dip these or something temporarily for right now. But yeah, she's dirty. It looks good though. It fills out the wheel wells the way it's supposed to. Way better than those Continentals. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it's pretty sick. And look at how nice, like, these tires are amazing. They still have the tread wear on the top, like, just incredible. Third set. All 3 sets of the ridge grapplers. That was my first set of Nittos. Second set of Nittos. Third set of Nittos. Well, that's it. That's the last of it. We're going to drop off the 214s and the ridge grapplers to their, well, not to their new owners, just dropping them off at a place so they can be shipped. They're going all the way from Michigan all the way down to Texas. All right. Well, we're back on the stock 18s, which I know you probably saw that clip already, but we're back on the stock 18s with our big oversized Nittos again. And these wheels are starting to grow on me. They definitely are starting to grow on me. I just haven't been able to find any good options that I like, that are also rated for the right load rating. It's been difficult, but I do like these wheels. I think they would look better a darker shade of gray, or I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of black wheels. I know a lot of people have messaged me saying black wheels, but they look good in the right setup, but black on black, I don't know. If the X5 was not black, then it'd be a different story. The wheels would probably be black, but I don't know. But yeah, so this is what we're rocking right now. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I like it. I think it looks good. I think I might need to invest. The front offset's sitting like pretty perfectly flush. The rear's tucked a little bit. So I might, if I do end up keeping these wheels, if I don't find another set that I like, I'll probably invest in some larger spacers for the rear. But yeah, I think it looks good. It definitely rides smoother, which I'm not that surprised about, but not that it didn't ride smooth before. It actually drove amazing before. It is a little bit softer in the corners, but especially with the roads here in Michigan, and I can't wait to actually get these tires off-road and see how like different the ride feels. The capability, I don't think is going to be much different. I had no problems before with those other with those small sidewalls. Everyone's like, you can't off-road with those. I've never had a problem. So yeah, I'm excited to see what these will do or how they'll feel. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comments below, like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Thanks for watching.